Hamstech's interior design courses turn your passion for design and decor into a successful career. And all it takes is a comprehensive curriculum, ample exposure, passionate determination, right career launchpad events, top recruiters and placement partners, and lots of fun. Interior design courses, you get to draft living spaces, create an appealing design, plan for different types of spaces, start your own design studio, display your creation before the rest of the world, and launch your brand or become a professional interior designer with our support. Sounds super exciting, doesn't it? So why wait? Enroll in our interior design courses to be a part of Hamstech's design community.